I'm going to teach you how to say I'm hungry and also I'm full. All right. So we say when we are saying hungry, you don't have to say I. You can just say hungry. So hungry, we say it 饿了 So one word at a time. 饿 Yeah, there's
like an
tongue
ER.
a little bit. Got to go.
Ooh, that's hard. What is it? ER? Like sound? Or?
Oh, yeah, you can do that. Yeah, do it one more time. Yes, the tongue is a little bit going to the back. Yes. Perfect, and it's firm. Yes.
Well, I never did that with my tongue before. Swallow your tongue a little bit. Okay.
Okay, second word is 了
La.
Not strong on the la, not la. It's very light. 了
Okay, like la.
了
La.
了
La.
Yeah, like your tongue on top of the teeth and just like put it out like 了
La.
Yes. 了 So let's do hungry. 饿了
La.
So your tongue can go, curl your tongue.
It's a lot of tongue work here.
Yes. 了
La.
了
La.
了 Yes. First word is firm. 了
La. La.
Okay, good, perfect. Now let's do I'm full. Like okay, can I eat no more? I'm full. I'm not hungry anymore. I'm full. Again, you will have that love, but the first word becoming 饱 Say it with me.
Okay.
饱
Bow.
Perfect, very good. 饱
Bow.
What were you thinking when you do 饱?
Like the ship, the bow of the ship. Bow.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, perfect.
Or I bow.
Yes, like bow, like hey,
Bow to
bow.
somebody, yeah,
So
bow.
think about that, but pronounce it like 饱
Bow.
Perfect. So now you got I'm full. 饱了
Bow. La.
Perfect. 饱了
Bow. La.
One more time. 饱了
Bow. La.
Perfect. Very good. Now you know how to say hungry and full, right? In Chinese. Practice with me at quick-chinese.com.